Ever wanted to watch free movies, live television, and global sports on your streaming device? Today on TechVibes, I will show you how to download hidden applications that you cannot find in the official App Store. Let us get straight into the exact solution. Step 1 is to download the Downloader app. Navigate to the Find icon on your home screen and click on Search. Type the letter D to find the app quickly. Select the orange Downloader icon from the list. Click on it to download and install it onto your device. Do not open the app yet. Press the Home button on your remote. Step 2 is to unlock your developer options. Head over to the Settings icon on the far right. Scroll down and click on My Fire TV. If you do not see developer options listed, click on About. Highlight your device name and click the center button on your remote 7 to 10 times. A pop-up will say you are now a developer. Back out one screen and developer options will be listed. Click on it and turn ADB debugging on. Step 3 is to authorize unknown applications. Select Install Unknown Apps from the menu. Highlight the Downloader app and click it to turn it on. Press the Home button on your remote to return to the home page. Open your Apps and Games section using the 3 square plus sign symbol. Highlight Downloader, press the 3-line button on your remote and select Move to Front. Open Downloader and select Allow to grant file access. Step 4 is to load the hidden App Store. Slide up to the search field using the red mouse cursor and click it. Type the short code 370178 and click Next. Wait for the 5-second redirect to load the custom portal page. Press the 3-line button on your remote and select Add Page to Favorites to save it. Scroll down to the Best Apps section. Click the blue bubble for your sports app. A prompt will ask for permission. Go to Settings, turn Downloader on, click Back, select Install, and then click Done. Select Delete twice to clear the installation file. Repeat this process for the HQ app, the HD app, and the Kodi application. Download each one, click Install, hit Done, and delete the installer files. That is the exact solution to getting hidden apps on your streaming device. Enjoy your free movies and live TV. Step 5 is to configure your advanced media center. Return to the home screen and open the Kodi application. Select Continue and allow file access. Click the Settings gear icon and go to System. Select Add-ons, slide across, and turn on Unknown Sources. Click Yes to confirm. Back out one screen and open File Manager. Select Add Source and click the Input field. Press the Shift button to type a full colon, then type in the official repository link address perfectly. Click OK, name the file path, and click OK again. Step 6 is to install the Media Build Wizard. Back out to the Add-ons menu and select Install from Zip file. Choose the name you just created and select the zip file. Wait for the top right notification. Select Install from Repository, go to Program Add-ons, and choose the Setup Wizard. Click Install at the bottom right and select OK on the extras. Wait for the percentage meter to reach 100. Hit OK on the blue screen, select Yes to install a build, and choose the Free Build option. Let it download and extract fully, then click OK to force close the app. Before you open any of these new streaming applications, you must secure your connection. Your internet service provider tracks your activity and can block third-party streaming applications. You need to use NordVPN to run smoothly any apps in the device. The official NordVPN installation link is mentioned in the description and comments. Open the VPN app, click the center button to connect, and let it run quietly in the background to encrypt your data. All your new applications are ready to use. Head back to your Apps and Games section, highlight each new app, and use the 3-line button to move them to the front of your Shortcuts bar. You can now stream your favorite entertainment safely. Please hit the subscribe button to support TechVibes. Leave a comment below if you know of an app that I am missing. Check the description and pinned comments right now for the official NordVPN link. See you in the next video.